regional manager sat me down and had a conversation and said, we want you to know that you are great because you are Timitria. There's no you are great, but there's no you are great. They just said, you need to know that you are awesome and that you have something to give to Sephora, as well as Sephora is giving something to you. It's not a one-way street where Sephora is giving you a job, but you're really bringing something to this company. I'm from the Bay Area, or in California. I have 3 little kids, a 3-year-old, a 6-year-old, and an 8-year-old. As a child, I think I struggled from aunts and uncles calling me things like meatball and, oh, she's so cute, but she has the bigger body. Those things stuck with me throughout childhood. So as an adult, I struggled even more with my weight. And as I got older, it was something that I put into the back of my mind because being a plus size girl came along and it was something that was more general, but I still struggled with a lot of body dysmorphia. Even at my smallest weight, I still remember looking in the mirror thinking, I'm so fat. And will anybody look at me and say, you're beautiful? And I went on a weight loss journey. After losing 92 pounds, then I found this newness of who I saw in the mirror. And it wasn't from the weight loss, but from the strength that I gained of knowing what I could or couldn't do. So today, yes, I feel beautiful. And today, my message to women who even come in looking for makeup at Sephora is that while we sell makeup at Sephora, you don't need this to be beautiful. This is just a tool. And that tool helps you make yourself stand out however you want to stand out, but you don't necessarily need the makeup to make yourself beautiful.